This is the Simmons 840 Yard Hydrant Head. It will come with the complete head assembly and then the wheel handle and the connections for it. So with the head, of course, it'll come with those two straps here, the pivot connector, the packing nut, and right here on the spout as well. And you can see in there, those are internal female threads where the head will connect to the piping. And of course the handle as well. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements. We'll start with that wheel handle. Get a total outer diameter there, right at about 1 3/4 inches. And an inside diameter of that square bit here at the end where it will attach, right about 1/4 inch. And then we can get a measurement of the handle. So we'll measure the longest part. So right here at that bend to the top of the handle there. You can see it measures right at about 6 inches. And then you can also get an outer and inner diameter here. The outer diameter of that hex portion there will measure right at about 2 inches, with an inside diameter of right about 1 1/4 inches. So once again, this is the Simmons 840 Yard Hydrant Head.